Tayo Shobola, a Nollywood actress, has secretly married a mystery man. The actress shared images and video from the event on her Instagram account. However, the star, who is gorgeous in a stunning wedding gown, did not disclose her husband's identity. In the meantime, the actress stated that the event was not today, but she had to post it. Tayo Shobola is grateful to all who took the time to call and wish her well. Following the announcement of Nollywood actress Tayo Shobola's marriage to an unknown man, social media has been flooded with congratulatory messages and prayers. Nollywood celebrities such as Funke Akindele, Wunmi Toriola, Iyabo Ojo and others descended on the actress's comment section to wish her well.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.